Okay, so hi everyone, I'm not Hank, I'm Ran, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Siren. And at Siren, we create smart textiles to empower people. And the first product we made is a temperature sensing sock that can detect injury in real time and help diabetics prevent amputations. So my background is biomedical engineering. I went to Johns Hopkins, and then I did research at Northwestern in wound healing. I used to make medical devices for the Army to regrow the human face. And Jeff is our CTO. He has over 10 years experience in hardware manufacturing and engineering. And Hank Young's our COO, and his background is in textile sourcing. We also have great advisory board with Charles Huang from Guitar Hero, and also Dr. Alexander Reiselman from UCSF. So, in the not so distant future, we believe that your clothes will be able to monitor your health, communicate with the world, and control your environment. And that future is possible due to Siren Smart Yarn. So at Siren, we've created a seamless technology where we can embed different kinds of electronics directly into yarn. And our technology is made for manufacturing. It's adaptable, it's scalable, and it's a new industry standard. So there are many different wearables, and I did hear that wearables don't work recently, maybe the previous presentation, but at Siren we think that wearables can work with the right technology, right? So with our smart yarn, we make wearables fit into the clothes you already wear every day because it is so seamlessly integrated. Our fabrics are washable, they're machine dryable, and they're made on standard weaving machines, meaning it's a low cost. And with our smart yarn, we envision a future where Siren powers all the things around you in healthcare, in fitness, in fashion, military, and entertainment. And because of our team and our passion for healthcare, the first industry we tackle is healthcare. So we are trying to help diabetics because right now there are over 400 million diabetics and about, Matthew's laughing at me. And over 40% of them have severe neuropathy, which is nerve damage. And because of this nerve damage, they have an inability to feel pain. So a small injury could become an ulcer, gangrene, and in worst cases, an amputation. And on top of that social cost, there's a severe financial cost as well. The annual cost of diabetic ulcers and amputations is over $17 billion a year in the US alone. And that's more expensive than the 5 most costly forms of cancer. But data can save lives. So research has shown that temperature monitoring can reduce ulcers by up to 72%. Right now, people use this device. They have to manually measure their feet. They have to hand calculate the temperature difference and record it in a logbook. But at Siren, we've improved upon this. We've developed a continuous temperature monitor that fits easily into your life. All you have to do is put on a sock like you would every single day. Our sensors are integrated into the fabric of the sock, and our wearable sends the data to the Siren app. Green means normal, and red means abnormal. The user sees a red area, should decrease activity, check their feet, and then reach out to their healthcare professional. So because this is healthcare, of course, it's a complex sales channel. We're doing direct online sales and also to health plans as well. So we do have competitors, but only temperature monitoring is proven to reduce foot ulcers. So at Siren, we plan to stay in healthcare and wellness, develop other products, develop different kinds of sensors, and license our IP to other industries. We're also working to fill out our pilot trials at UCSF, non-randomized control studies, and then randomized control studies. We're also raising our seed round right now. We're working with UCSF, as I mentioned, and that future where all the things you need are done with your clothes, that future is here, and the first example of that is Siren Smart Socks. Thank you very much. We have a working prototype in the back. Mark has it, and you can come play with our socks afterwards. Yes.
Is the material that it's made out of, I can be loud, is the material that it's made out of, can you weave it into cotton and other natural fibers, or is it just polyester? How does it weave in?
So the outside sheath can be any material, cotton, like synthetic materials, whatever. It doesn't matter on the outside.
So that would basically be the regular, whatever the fabric is, yarn around the technology.
Exactly.
Cool.
No questions?
Yeah, what is the cost to make the socks? I guess, I mean, I know you have a prototype now, but when you see it scale,
So right
how
now,
expensive is this yarn, how much, like, someone
Okay.
that you spend if they're, you know, they need 6 pairs of socks or 10 pairs of socks?
that's a really good question. So we're open for pre-sale at www.siren.care. And so you pay $20 a month, and then every 6 months we send you a box, and it's just filled with socks. Literally a box of socks. Right? You get 7 pairs of socks that last you 6 months, and every 6 months we ship you a new box to your door. So that's $120 every 6 months, and if you find me afterwards, I can give you a coupon code for $20 off. Okay?
So it's washable.
Fully washable, fully dryable. You do not need to charge it. The batteries last 6 months, and then we ship you a new box. It's just like normal socks. In order for wearables to work, they need to act like the normal object, which is socks. You don't charge your socks. We don't expect you to charge Siren Smart Socks. Yes.
Are you conducting clinical trials to prove effectiveness, or you need FDA approval? What's the path?
So currently, we don't need FDA approval due to the new guidelines that came out, the wellness guidelines, but we will be pursuing them next year. And we're running a pilot study right now with Dr. Reiselman at his clinic, and then we have 2 trials planned for next year as well. So it's to prove effectiveness as well, even though our predicate device already works in clinical trials. So just to extra prove it, you know.
What kind of sensors can be in there besides temperature?
So right now we have thermistors, and we're working on RFIDs, right? And also pressure, moisture, even the MCU and Bluetooth, we can take that out and put it directly in the yarn. So in the future, we don't need a PCB. I know that's crazy, but anything you can do on a circuit board, we can redo in yarn. Right? We make wearables truly seamless. The only thing we can't put in there is a battery. Is that it? Okay, thank you very much. Come to our